This is our prayer. And watch us where we go, and help us to be wise in times when we don't know. Let this be our prayer. When we lose our way, lead us to a place, guide us with your grace, to a place where we'll be safe.
La luce che darà,
I pray we'll find your light
il cuore ospita,
and hold it in our heart.
a ricordarci breve,
When stars go out each night,
eterna stella sei. Nella mia preghiera,
let this be our prayer.
quando fede c'è,
When shadows fill our day,
lead us to a
place, guide us with your grace.
give us faith so we'll be saved.
American Chamber of Commerce, Los Angeles area, in recognition of your outstanding achievements and your noteworthy efforts in the formation of the Filipino-American Chamber of Commerce, South Bay, Los Angeles area, to support various Filipino-American businesses, professionals, and the community at large in the South Bay and neighboring cities in the Los Angeles area. Best wishes on all your future endeavors. It was dated July 9th, 2012, when you were officially recognized by the entire city. Signed by the Honorable Mayor Jim Neer, Mayor Pro Tem Judy Ruiz Raver, Council members Mike Gibson, Dula Davis Holmes, and yours truly, one of the council members in Century. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much on behalf of the officers and members of the Filipino Chamber of Commerce. We proudly accept this certificate of recognition, and we hope we could always be worthy of this kind of recognition.
Sogniamo un mondo senza più differenza, un mondo di giustizia e speranza. Olio cordero, mamma salveggia, simbolia voce, che fraternità. Oh yes, let life be done. Il desiderio che and watch us from above. Andrò tra di amor. We hope it's the will of God. Another soul to love. Let this be our prayer. Let this be our prayer. Just like every child. Just like every child.
Why we have a Filipino-American Chamber of Commerce. First of all, we want to help Filipino-Americans, and I need to qualify them, Filipino and Americans, who would like to get started in business, get started the right way. And we partnered with VEDC and we're going to be partnering with Goldman Sachs. And we're partnering with organizations that have the wherewithal to be able to do things, so that we can bring you to that successful level. That's number one. If you're already a successful business or entrepreneur, then we would like you to serve your community by bringing that knowledge back to where it could help others, because we espouse friendly competition. No competition is called monopoly. How many people want a free enterprise based on monopoly? I don't see any hands, so I guess friendly competition is the way.
When shadows need to find a place, guide us with your grace. Give us faith so we'll be safe. Elevate and tell, higher chase on high. Senta che ci salve.
Thank you.